Hi, it's Alan Mendelson, and I've been telling you that it's important this year, in 2022, to get your taxes done early because you may be surprised with some of the tax changes going on right now. Things are going to be different with 2022 when you do your 2021 taxes, a lot different than what they were in 2021. So get your taxes done early. Now, this next tax tip for 2022 might sound obvious, but it needs repeating. So choose your tax return preparer carefully, because every year there are ghost preparers who rip off taxpayers. A ghost preparer is a paid tax preparer who doesn't sign returns and tries to hide their identity from the IRS. It's like having a significant other who disappears on you, you know. You don't know where they went. Well, same thing with a preparer. They can disappear and you won't know where they went either. And we've all had experiences with ghosts. Not the supernatural kind, but the people who disappear from us. Anyway, by law, anyone who's paid to prepare or assist in preparing tax returns must have a valid preparer tax identification number, or PTIN. Now, paid preparers must sign and include their PTIN on your tax return, even if it's a digital return filed online. Not signing a return by one of these paid preparers is obviously a red flag. And it's a sign that the paid preparer may be looking to make a fast buck by promising you a big refund or charging you fees based on the size of the refund. And when they charge you fees based on the size of your refund, you've got to worry about how they manufactured that refund. It may not be honest. You don't want a preparer making up things just to get you a big refund. Now, an unscrupulous tax return preparer may also require payment of cash only and not provide a receipt. Boy, that's a red flag, huh? They might invent income so that you qualify for certain tax credits. You don't want that. They could claim fake deductions to boost the size of the refund. By the way, years ago, I went through a tax audit. And the first thing the auditor said to me as I walked in, the auditor said to me, "How are your kids?" And I said, "How do you know I have kids?" He says, "Well, you put down 2 kids on your tax return." I said, "You're right. I have 2 kids and they're fine, thank you." And then he said to me, "You'd be amazed how many people would say after I say, 'How are your kids?' they say, 'What kids?'" So people make up things to get refunds, huh? And the other thing that an unscrupulous tax return preparer might do is direct your refund into their bank account. Not your bank account, but their bank account. They can do that easily by putting their checking account information on your tax return. So choose a tax return preparer wisely. You should verify when you do your tax return and you fill out the work to get a refund that both your routing number and your bank account number are on the completed tax return. Okay? Make sure it's your routing number and your checking account number. And of course, remember that my friends at Legal Tax Defense will give you a free consultation. All right? Call them at 800-231-3321. That's 800-231-3321. It really is a free consultation about your tax issues. And in many cases, they can tell you how to fix your tax problems yourself without paying them a cent. And watch out for ghosts. Watch out for the supernatural kind. Watch out for the ghosts, meaning the significant others who make a date with you and then disappear. And especially, watch out for ghost tax preparers. I'm Alan Mendelson. Watch for more tax tips. Bye-bye.